Free Google Money. Make $500 per hour using Google. You can earn a gorgeous amount of dollars by doing simple tasks online. Some of these apps let you earn as much as $10,000 in a single day. Watch the video till the end to find out. Before we get into the video, I would like to highlight that you may need an active PayPal account of your own to redeem the money. To set up the account, you need to go on to the website paypal.com and click sign up for free and enter the necessary details such as your email ID and password, and you are all set. 5. BuzzBreak. A rising app on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, BuzzBreak has been making waves for the earning potentials that it exhibits. The premiere of BuzzBreak is quite simple. Read the news and get paid. You know how there are apps like InShorts where you can spend time reading snippets of the daily news. At one point, you start swiping and reading uncontrollably as if you're watching reels on Instagram. And before you know it, an hour has passed and you are left with nothing. BuzzBreak is making an attempt to solve this problem. You follow the exact same routine with your news, but now you can earn money for it. At least something good can come out of that relentless swiping. You need to open the Google Play Store on either your mobile or desktop to get the app. Search for BuzzBreak. You should be able to find it quite easily in the search section. Next, you need to download the app and go to sign up. Here, the app will ask you for certain personal details, following which you need to link your PayPal account with your email ID. You can even link it with your Venmo account if you have one. Once the authentication is complete, you are all set to start earning. You can read both global as well as local news based on your preferences. The more you read, the more points you claim. You need to spend a minimum of 8 seconds on an article, following which you will gain 6 points. You will also get rewarded for checking in daily and inviting your friends. After the points accumulate, you can cash out at any point in time. 4. MNFST. The next app that we are going to be looking at today is MNFST. It stands for Manifest, and you can quite literally manifest your earnings on this app. Are you someone who wants to reach the status of an influencer? Or maybe you just enjoy posting what you like, regardless of how many likes you get. What if I told you you can get paid for posting and maintaining your social media profile? This is exactly what MNFST does for you. The first thing you need to do is go to their website mnfst.com, or you can download the app from the Google Play Store. They are presently conducting operations in a very limited number of countries, but don't get bummed out. They are in the progress of expansion. You need to get to the Create section, link your social media account with it, and complete an authentication process. For example, a 2-step verification process might be done for your Instagram account. At the moment, MNFST is compatible with Instagram and Twitter accounts, which attract the largest number of influencers. You also need to provide the IDs of your PayPal or Venmo accounts, which is self-explanatory. The app aims to democratize the influencer market. The hustle that one needs to undergo to become an established influencer is incredible. Hence, the app now pays you money for every post you made, similar to sponsored posts. The app also gives you the options to create manifests, but they are not compulsory. You can click the Create Post button and choose a manifest that is suited to your profile's theme. It can take up to 24 hours for the money to be credited. People can also rate your profile on the MNFST app. Higher the ratings, the higher your earning potential. So make sure to appease your followers if you want to max out your earnings. You can withdraw the money at any time through your linked PayPal or Venmo accounts. In addition, there's an option called Cash Out at the bottom of the app screen. 3. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys brings together one of the world's biggest marketing communities. In this app, one gets paid for answering questions about certain brands. It is quite similar to the kind of surveys you'll find on YouTube right before a video begins. However, while YouTube questions you to improve your viewing experience with Google, Branded Surveys pays you for answering them. You can make money quickly on this app, unlike MNFST and BuzzBreak, which require a certain amount of time. You can download the app from the Play Store or sign up directly through their website surveys.gobranded.com. You need to click the sign up button and enter your credentials and a valid email ID and a PayPal account. The website will then ask you a few questions about your lifestyle to ascertain what kind of surveys will be more suited to you. These questions aims to analyze users' demographics such as age, gender, locations, etc. Once you fill in all the details, you are set to start answering. Surveys are posted by companies that are looking for feedback on their products and services. If your profile indicates that you are likely to have used the product, the survey will appear on your dashboard and the time required to complete it. You earn points every time you complete a survey. Once you hit 500 points, you can start withdrawing your money directly through your linked PayPal account. You can also choose to cash out in the form of gift cards for companies such as Walmart and Adidas. If you think just filling out surveys for money might be monotonous, worry not. There are multiple ways to get money on the platform, ranging from posts to referrals to promo codes. 2. Google Opinion Rewards. This is one of the simplest ways you can make money via Google. It has the lowest earning potentials out of all the apps listed here, but at the same time requires the least effort. As the name suggests, Google rewards you for filling out your opinions through various personalized surveys. These surveys take less than a minute to complete, and you can earn as much as $1 per survey. That's more than $60 an hour. That's 8 times the minimum wage in the USA, and all for just filling out your opinions. Google curates these surveys, and hence the entire application is far more reliable than every other app on our list. The frequency at which you get surveys may vary depending on your locations and your activities. In order to use the app, you need to open the Play Store and search for Google Rewards. You can find the app easily as it is available in all countries with Google services. You need to open the app and click the Gmail account that your Play Store is linked with. Some basic questions such as age and gender might be asked if you have already filled those details in your Gmail ID. Now you can start filling out surveys as and when they come true. Get that bread! It is worth noting that you cannot withdraw cash directly from Google. Instead, you earn money in the form of Google Play credits, which you can then use on the Google Play Store for a variety of purposes. You can spend it on your favorite games, rent a movie, remove ads on your favorite apps, and more. The only restraint is that the money has to be spent via the Google Play Store. 1. Daily Raffle. And finally, the last app on our list is the Daily Raffle. It is number 1 on the list. You can earn anywhere between $100 to $10,000 an hour, making it one of the highest earning apps on Google. It is based on the concept of lottery. There is some luck involved in the app, just like how you take a number on the lottery and hope yours is the winner. Here you need to enter a raffle. As the name suggests, there is one new raffle every day for you to play. Quite exciting, right? Unlike the other apps on our list where you need to do work of some sort, here you just need to play. You need to download it on the Google Play Store and make an account with your PayPal email. The user interface is pretty straightforward. A new raffle pops up on your dashboard daily. You get a new ticket for each raffle. Every ticket has 6 numbers between 1 and 9. There's one single winning combinations for the raffle. However, you need not to get all 6 correct, unlike the lottery. A minimum of 4 numbers have to match and you have one for the day. The chances of winning are extremely high compared to the lottery. Plus, you get to enter a new raffle every day. The app also gives you hints on what the winning number might be. The daily prize starts from $10 worth of gifts, and it can go all the way up to $10,000. If you are a regular player, your earnings will average out to $500 per raffle. If you get 4 numbers correct, you win $125. 5 numbers and it goes up to $250. 6 numbers and it is a jackpot. Are you ready to start earning some passive income now? What are you waiting for? Go on and live your dreams.